Hello guys, so we'll be starting this series for vibe coding and I'll just work on a project today and see how it works. So let me see where the link is. I think this is the link. Am I live? Yeah, I'm live. So I'll just send this to someone and see. Bro, open this and see if I'm streaming live or not.
What the? Okay. Nothing.
Is my voice visible?
YouTube वाला ना?
I gave you the link on WhatsApp. Yeah. All right, guys, let's start doing the project. Can you hear me?
Say it again.
There's a little delay. All right, then. Let's start working on this project. I've been working on an idea, kind of like working with a local LLM app, kind of creating an AI wrapper around it. So I don't know what I'll do, but let's just brainstorm ideas on this. What I'll do is first I'll just brainstorm. I'll just put something that comes into my mind. I want to start. I'll just use Whisperflow. Very useful app, by the way. It will be a 1 hour stream, so I'll just do what I can in this 1 hour. All right, so I want to work on a AI wrapper project where I can use a local llama, which I have currently, and create a kind of a fraud detection thing where whenever you put an email or a PDF or something or an email and see if it's actually a fraud or not, because recently what happened was I got a FedEx mail saying that I have to pay $18, but and it was legit from FedEx, but actually when I read it twice I got to know it's not that, like it's not genuine, it's something else, because FedEx usually never sends mails like this. So something like that. And also sometimes there are some emails we get which are totally fake. So I want to create an app around that. We just work around this idea. If I feel like if this doesn't work, then we'll work on to something next. It's asking some questions. Let's say I'll do I don't know to do Python CLI. I'll do a web app, looks fine. Let me just do the API first. And then I'll use what's that thing called? Um, I forgot. Let me see. Um, Website for ML models. Streamlit. That's Streamlit. Yeah, I can do it on Streamlit. I use Olama. Which model size are you working with? I have to see. How do I check? CMD. Olama. I think I have. I don't want to use a medium or large one. I just have to check if it's how many not decided yet. Yeah, let's go.
अरे मोहित क्या नाटक कर रहा है मोहित इतना तुम्हें इतना क्या रहा है मोहित हाँ बोल क्या किया
I
अरे
don't want
इसी
to create a
इसी का तेरे
file
को
on
एक
this.
हफ्ते का प्रोजेक्ट होता ना अरे बाइक से ट्रेन से जाते सॉरी ट्रेन से जाते फ्लाइट से जाके आने का कितना है हम्म 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 हम्म
Usually, what I do is I don't like AI creating files for me. I just want answers in line, like in the prompt itself. So always I use this caveman thing. It just prints and it reduces the number of tokens, whatever. So the context line decreases and
और
you
जो
get
कितना
more
टाइम
credits
लगता
for
है ऐसा
you to
बोल रहा
use
हूँ
for the
कितना
whole
दिन में
day.
करनी है वो तो
And
बोल
I always use Haiku for brainstorming because whenever I
और
use
कंटिन्यूस
Sonnet
का
or
है
higher
एक दिन का
models, it
वो कंटिन्यूस जाता है
limit ends very fast. And I have a Claude Pro
हाँ
subscription, so that's
तो
the
इतना
reason I
स्लो
do
कैसे
it.
सकता है ट्रेन से या फ्लाइट से जाने का
And I don't know, like people
नहीं
use
रे
Claude Code
बात
a
के पीछे
lot,
जो
like they
लोग
just
बैठे हैं वो तो
fix
बोल रहे हैं
problems just by saying fix this. But what I
अरे
do is
करेंगे तो
I do it
नहीं
manually. I
वो
ask Claude Code that okay, what's the error and how can I do it
करेगा तीन
manually.
दिन
Then
जाएगा
I
तीन दिन
try to
आएगा
do it manually as much
और
as I
ऊपर से
can because
छः दिन
that's
घूमेगा
how you learn.
तीन
Otherwise,
दो दिन
the
रेस्ट
project
करेगा
will be
फिर
done
जाएगा
within 10
चार दिन
minutes
जाएगा
and you don't have anything to learn. You won't even understand what you're doing. Oh my god, it's taking a lot of time.
आई डोंट नो कभी जाने का बोला सितंबर बस क्यों जाना है सितंबर
Okay,
अपना देखते
stop
हैं
it.
अभी
I don't want all that stuff.
अरे
Let's
ट्रेन से
test
जाना भाई
caveman.
इतना
Okay,
तीन दिन कौन
I'm
वेस्ट
using
करता है
caveman
पागल
skills.
है हाँ फ्लाइट से
I
जाना बेटर है
want all the
कितना फ्यूल
output in line,
कितना फ्यूल जाता
not any downloadable file. Okay, see, caveman ultra
एक
full
घंटा पहुंच
intensity.
जाएगा
Uh,
मेरे से वो आई एम आउट
this
भाई
front end React widget upload. We have to upload email or
आई एम
PDF.
आउट
Show
मेरे से
fraud score. Hit local llama via API. Extract text from
नहीं
email or
होता रे
PDF. For
भाई मेरे को
extracting
इतना
text
सीन
from
नहीं है
PDF,
फ्लाइट है तो
we
आराम
can
से
do something
पहुंचेगा
like using Pymo PDF or Docling or anything. So
नहीं नहीं
we
अरे
can
नहीं
kind of
होता है
create an
फ्लाइट है
agent
तो
where
जल्दी जाता है
we upload a
रियल एग्जाम है ना
PDF. That PDF will be converted into text, and then that
अरे हाँ
text
तो
will be
तो
used
हो जाओ करेगा है ना 10
further.
मिनट
Oh man, it already created. No, I don't. I want to do it in VS Code. So
नहीं 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 होता नहीं 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 होता 10 दिन 9 दिन हो गए
actually, I want to
तीन दिन
do this
घूमने का
project
जाने
in
का
VS Code. I don't
किसको
want
किसका
you to do
बोल
it.
उसको
I want to do it step by step
किसको
as
बोल
if I'm
उसको
a
दूसरा
beginner. And I have Olama in
हाँ
my
नाम से
system.
दो लोग का एक
And
क्या नाम बोला
yeah, that's it. Let's build a prototype. I
नहीं
just
नहीं नहीं
want
होता
what the steps are. And
अरे
yes,
नहीं होता
and
रे
I
भाई
want to
नहीं
display it
होता
in
भाई
Streamlit. So I want to use
नहीं
Streamlit
नहीं होता रे
also.
देख के नहीं होता रे मैं बोल रहा मेरा मन ही नहीं मानता रे 6 दिन भाई तो नहीं होता रे ठीक है चलेगा मालूम है मेरे को
Okay,
नहीं होता
so
तेरे बोल रहा हूँ मत
this is
बोल
our
तू
tech stack: Python backend, Streamlit is front end.
अरे ना ना रे बोल भी कुछ मत बोल
Olama
बोल दो रे और
will
अवॉइड करो
use local llama, which will run PDF extraction,
ठीक है
simple HTTP calls via. LLama3.2 LLM API
हाँ हाँ
is four folders. One is requirements.txt, fraud detector.py. Simple project. So let's start using VS Code. So what I usually like to do is open a new folder, go to projects, create something fraud detector. Okay, go inside, we select this folder, new folder is created, new terminal. Now we use UV init. Okay, okay, this is done. Now UV VNV. Now activate this virtual environment. That is done. What we want to do is requirements.txt. What all the dependencies? The streamlit request PyPDF. Okay, so put all these things here. Done, saved. Now what we have to do is we have to install this dash. Yeah, the libraries are installed. We'll keep on adding libraries later if we need it, but currently these are the things we need. Okay, fraud detector.py. This is the core logic. This calls llama, no UI yet. Okay, so let's see what it is. Even I don't know what the exact code is. I'm just a beginner, so
हाँ ग्रुप
okay.
में मैसेज आया बोल रहे हैं कि no one is working and your
There's
submission
import request, import JS, and also one more thing
no one is
is
working and your
we can
submission
just
successful.
use this skills. Which one is it? Context 7. What it does is it pulls
Oh, hi, Arun. This
related
is Lydia.
all the related like latest
This is
documentation
Lydia.
from all
We
the
did a submission.
tools or anything,
Hey,
and it
hi.
finds that
Any updates yet?
documentation, updates its code, and then gives us a code, so it's an updated code. So you see this,
DevSecOps. Authentica, yes.
we have to update this thing like
The
this.
address is
Okay,
gone, so
so
I'm waiting
latest
to
one is
submission
PyPDF
it
2.
and
We do
upload
that.
the situation.
Okay, that is done. Next is we have to start our server. Okay, what the Olama server.
Yeah.
Listen, okay, it's already working. I don't know how it
Probably.
works, but only
All will
one
have here.
usage
Thank
of
you.
software normally permitted.
All will have
Okay, I think it's working already, so that's fine. Test it, curl. Okay, we'll try this. Oh, see, we have Llama 3.2, 3.2. Yeah, we just have one model, otherwise, it will show a list of other models also. So context length is 131, embedding length is this, I don't know. Parameter size is 3.2 billion parameters, which is not as strong, but it's okay. Um, okay, create app.py. This is for our front end. Let me just create it here. .py. We put this. We save this, and then stream later on app.py. Let's test it. Alright,
Southwest
app.py. Yay! It's running properly. So all we have to do is create a chatbot here somewhere, or like upload your file here, and once we upload we get an output like whether it's genuine or not. We can also create some test cases like sample test cases using Claude. Like, give me some sample fake emails and genuine emails, and then we can upload an email or PDF, whatever, like in text format. We can do changes later, but what we'll do is we open the notepad, we put those test cases, and then we see if it works or not. Moving on, add file to widget. Okay, add file upload widget. So this is the thing. Streamlit is also already there. That's just for testing, so let's delete this, space this. Okay, prod detector uploaded file equal to file uploader, st.file uploader, upload email or PDF, type is text or PDF. We can add anything. Then if file upload is not none, st.write, upload file name, upload file type. Okay, if it's not empty, then you get to print these. That's it. We'll just run this and see once it's already open. Okay, see, let's upload something. Okay, I uploaded. See, file name is this, application is PDF. That's it. Let me delete this. Extract text from file. Now what we have to do is, this part is done. Now this part we have to update. Here, if upload file dot type equal to application slash PDF, which we did just now, then the reader, what it will do is use the PDF reader, use this one PDF reader, and we convert that uploaded file into text. Okay, so I don't know why this is. Then for page in reader dot pages. Okay, text plus equal to page dot extract text. Okay, so this is the whole content after the whole looping is done. After the whole for loop is done, text will have all the contents of PDF in a text format. So pretty good. Else uploaded file dot read dot decode UTF-8. I don't know why that is. We'll just ask Claude. Let's ask. Hey Claude, what does this text mean? I didn't understand. I understood the if clause, but I didn't understand the else clause. What does it do? Why is it important? What the else clause does? Does the file txt or else you can trace what happens step by step, reach the entire file as raw bytes, binary data, converts those bytes into readable text using UTF-8 encoding. When you read, it becomes as a binary data bytes, which looks gibberish if you don't convert it. Translates the bytes into actual text your app can display and process. Before decode, hello world. After decode, there will be. Okay, so okay, so this is for text files. If we upload a text file, it will just decode it to plain text. That's it. Got it. So let's move on. I'll just upload the whole thing. I like the way it's teaching us step by step. Okay, this is done. Save. Okay, it will print the extracted text. Let's do this. Let's see.
Hey, by the way,
See,
streaming
you can
live,
see
now you know
this.
that. Hey, what's up, Chad? What's poppin'? Yeah, yeah.
हेलो. हाँ भाई बोलो क्या हुआ. समझा नहीं मुझे आपने क्या. ब्लैक स्टोन है क्या. एक मिनट. हाँ देखता हूँ. ब्लैक स्टोन. अच्छा मेरे गूगल शीट्स में तो ब्लैक स्टोन नहीं है भाई। हाँ पक्का ब्रो, मतलब कुछ कुछ सबमिशंस में ना मैंने प्राइम वेंडर के डिटेल्स नहीं डाले, क्योंकि वेंडर ने प्राइम वेंडर के डिटेल्स ही नहीं भेजे ना, तो उसका पता है ब्लैक स्टोन हो सकता है, वैसा है। यस। ओके भाई चलेगा।
और तेरे को लगा रहा
हाँ वही फ़ोन नंबर है भाई।
और पर वो क्या नाम था
ओके भाई, थैंक यू सो मच।
नो लेविया व्हाट इज लेविया पासपोर्ट में प्रिंसेस है नहीं जॉब कर रहा था बता बेटा लेविया आई नो प्रिंसेस है पासपोर्ट पे अरे आई थॉट कि people just call you because you like that name oh shit ये princess है I thought she liked someone like that अरे like everything is good in life अच्छा लगा के परी
Alright guys, so this is working. So what we need to do is next, where is this? Okay, so after this is done, we just have to call LLM API. Okay, so we create a function where we send the text which we filtered this into an LLM, return the fraud score. So the prompt is analyze this for fraud, return only JSON format. Fraud score is 0 to 100. Reasoning we have to give, then red flags. So these two things are the factors why it got rejected. Then the text is here. We give the text here. This is the text as input. And next is if response dot status underscore code is 200, then data is equal to response dot JSON. Data dot get response. Else return none. I don't know what that means. Just I have to see what that is. But okay, we upload the file, application PDF. This is done. Then the extracted text. Then st dot button analyze. If we press this button, calling llama result call llama dot text st dot result. Okay, let's paste this thing and see what happens. What magic it does. Also we'll do one thing. Create a sample samples of emails or texts which are fraud in only in text format. Give me five which can be genuine or fake as well. Okay, this FedEx delivery notice. We'll do this. Dear customer, tracking number, failure to pay, FedEx delivery services. We take this, we create a notepad. Okay, uh, save as. We'll go to the where is the projects folder. Okay, here fraud detector. I'll create a new folder here. Sample text. Okay, we go here. Email one. Next is copy, paste, save, email 2, paste, save email 3, paste, save email 4. If this LinkedIn connection request, save email 5. Okay, all of these are done. Let's close it. Okay, so let's see which ones are fake. FedEx is fake, bank is fake, IRS is fake. LinkedIn and Amazon are genuine. Okay, so let's go with this. I think I pasted it, or did I? Okay, it's done. Let's run this thing. Okay, what is, okay, let's upload that thing. Let's go to folders, fraud detector, sample text, email. Okay, so what we have is an extracted text. If we press analyze, it will work. It will call the llama application. Why is it giving none? Something's an issue. Okay, let's try a different folder. Analyze, calling llama, none. Same thing. Let's ask Claude. Whenever I press analyze, it gives none for the sample text emails I upload, which is in the sample text folder. Just give me what to change and what the error is. I don't want you to do anything. No, you don't get to do anything. I have to do everything manually. So, Kana,
ले ले
Kate,
कितना कितना इनफ बहुत है क्या
स्पून
नहीं इनफ है क्या ये फूड खत्म हो
इनफ
जाएगा
है हाँ है कनिపెట్టు సమరైజ్ సాంబార్